There are many times in life where we wonder how on earth we ended up in such a miserable situation. But do you know any successful person who hasn't had to overcome a hurdle in their life? It's true, yet it is much easier said than done. We all have some goals in our life, but how many of us are willing to take a step forward? We do see a light clearly at the end of the tunnel, but we are not moving at all. Why? Because of the obstacles around us. When no matter how hard you try, it's blocking our way. So, what are these obstacles that block our way to success? The first obstacle is fear of the unknown. You have the sight of the goal, but sometimes you feel you're not qualified, which makes you want to give up before you even start. Your past failures will prevent you from taking a step forward. At this stage, any decision you make will not move you forward in life because the reality is we don't want to come out of our comfort zone. Remember, change is the only constant. So the only solution is to break open your comfort zone. After coming out of your comfort zone, you'll be faced with the second obstacle, criticism. Who criticizes you? You yourself? Thinking, have I taken the right step? Then your family and relatives saying, have you gone mad? And then your friends saying, hey, chill man. Why do you want to get into all this risk? And then the so-called society, which we don't know where they are. So criticism can be good as well as bad. If taken in a good manner, it helps you overcome your limitations. But if taken in a wrong way, it will stop you from pursuing your goals. It increases your insecurity and your inferiority complex. So the only solution is to filter out the criticism. If you come across a person who is criticizing you but truly cares for you, then you accept it and work on it. If a person is just giving their opinions for the sake of giving it, please just filter it out and go ahead. The third obstacle is comparison. Now, we are all conditioned to compare ourselves with others with respect to beauty, age, weight, money, social status. But this comparison, it only increases resentment, jealousy, and envy towards others. It steals our personal joy and makes us feel that we aren't enough. Ultimately, it leads to self-destruction. So comparison is the biggest obstacle. We need to break the comparison cycle because it's a game we can never win. There will always be someone more attractive, intelligent, and more successful. But the trick is to know what is your unique value or strength. Focus on that to create a life you deserve. The fourth obstacle is work-life balance. On our way to achieving our goals, we tend to be so focused that we neglect the time given to our family. This can hamper the relations and may affect our mental health too, in turn preventing us to reach our goals. The key is to find the work-life balance by prioritizing your daily activities to enjoy the ride. The last obstacle is emotional imbalance. It is neither easy to set a goal nor it is easy to achieve it. Unknowingly, all the obstacles which you have faced till now have impacted your mind and you may lose its control if not taken care of. This is the last stage at which you feel like giving up. Even if you see the light at the end of the tunnel, you're blindfolded by your negative emotions to see through the path of success. So, the key is to have self-control by being aware of your emotions. When you set a goal, expect the difficulties and prepare yourself to meet them with a strong heart. Every person's goals are different, but these are the common obstacles that everyone faces. Remind yourself daily why your goals are important to you and work towards them. Success in life comes when you simply refuse to give up, with goals so strong that obstacles, failure, and even loss only act as a motivation.